Before, towards Star Wars. Welcome to the Videopolis Theatre. Into the Videopolis Theatre. Come round and go to the front or back. Oh wow, the proper theatre. Just an open auditorium. I think this is pretty cool.
This is
one over there in the far left. We got open theatre. Videopolis. Videopolis. Is that how you pronounce that?
Oh wow.
So yeah, you can sit where you want. Maybe you go through this one, but this is quite difficult to find. Arcade Alpha. That's the queue, but it's just not open yet. So you just gotta wait for it to open so you can queue. So you have to, if you want, you can sit down in the stands, but you have to wait for the queue to open. People are waiting outside. I'm not 100% clear on where the queue is, but I think it's the rope section we walk past. But people who look like they're queuing there, probably the other side. But you can sit wherever you want. You can sit wherever you want. Mum's going because apparently I don't know what to pick up.
You don't?
I don't. But Mum just ordered on the app. I'll show you here if she's actually screen recorded it, like she says she has, but I don't think she did.
Delilah might want to say hi to you guys.
Delilah want to be on the vlog.
Yeah.
But we are in the Videopolis Theatre. About to have a bit of snackage. And then we're going to watch Chip and Dale. Let's say what? Say what? Started to let them in, so if they... I know they're still there on the right. They must have just gone through the centre. 5 minutes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Take you on a Disney music journey like never before.
Et pour nous accompagner, l'enfer que nous faut de la nature et que rayon de miel et de soleil. Il en faut un peu de tout retrouver. De la gueule de l'avenir, le magique de Scooby-Doo, le truc qui fait boum à tous les coups, c'est Bidi-Bidi-Bidi-Boo.
C'est encore bien plus fort, tu peux c'est notre qui vont de l'or. Tu as le pouvoir, enlever le dégoût, avec la magie tu seras gagnant. Feel the music come alive when you hear this melody. Viva la musique.
See you later. As you can see, guys, our table is empty. We ordered a click and collect for 2:30. Show started at 2:50, and Mum was still waiting 5 minutes in at 2:55.
And there were still 4 people in front of me.
4 people in front, so we're now going to go get a refund and find somewhere else to eat. Very poor. Go to the restaurant to get a refund. You singing? Look at what?
Look at these cups. And the straws.
Oh, they're cute, aren't they?
Oh my god, Mum, you might like one of these cups right here.
Where do you collect from?
Over there when there's no queue now.
Still trying. Thank you, Revolut.
So we're in a space-themed room.
Extremely safe service. That is a cool place to eat. But we're on a time schedule, so we gotta go. Aliens, I miss you. More aliens. I miss you guys.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And you subscribe our channel, turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys! Bye guys!